Hey, look here. Today, this is really for new people frying a turkey. I want to show you a little something after a while. I'm going to show you how to measure how much oil you need in your pot for your turkey. It's the easy way, the only way, the safe way, so you don't have oil floating all over the place once you drop your turkey in there, okay? So you watch this, all right? First thing I'm gonna do is play around in my yard a little bit. I gotta hook up my burner and see where I'm going from there, Shad. So just hang with me. Hang with me, enjoy it. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how to measure how much cooking oil you need. Oh yeah. That's my bird right here. I'm gonna put my bird in there. And it's gonna be on a stand and all that stuff. But I got it standing straight up. I'm gonna show you how much peanut oil, how you measure to put your peanut oil in there. See, I still got my bird all wrapped up. That's the way I want it. The amount of oil you need depends on not only the size of your bird, but the displacement of your bird, how much space it takes in there. You spread it out, you do this, you do that. Let mine stand straight up. I'm going to be so close to this once I'm done that when I add my oil, it gets real hot and I put my bird in there to cook, fry it up. Should be right on the money. I don't want all jumping out my pocket. Alright, if I take my bird and stand it upright, the water just came to the top of the bird right there. That's the water level right there. So, when I pull it out, pull this baby out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and measure how much oil I'm gonna need. This way. This is my thermometer. Or as Keith called it, is thermometer. It's my thermometer, okay? When it's on here, I'm right at my oil level. So, pick this up. Got my empty pan. Put my thermometer up there. Catch my oil here. Pour my oil till I reach the bottom of my thermometer. That's my level right there. That's what it takes to fry this turkey right here. That's all it's going to take, and I'm going to fry it at 350 degrees, 4 minutes a pound, and it's going to be perfect. Now, this is going to be a mustardized turkey when I fry it, and let me tell you what, it's going to be awesome.